Yo, what's up everyone, it is Miko with GDG here, back with the Cabbage Gamers. Today, I'll be showing you a way how to clean up your computer and make it run way faster, depending how much junk you got in there that is just taking up space, slowing down your computer. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned, and let's take it to the intro.
Let's go. Lose control. 3, 2, 1. Drop it.
Alright, and we are now back, and the first step of this process is that just all you have to do is just open up Google, alright, type in Razer Cortex, as you see right there, enter. Now make sure you click the first link, that's by Razer.com, don't click anything else. Alright, and as you see right here, Razer Cortex is a booster, right? Alright, it can boost your FPS, boost your computer, just make it run faster in general. It can also help you get some extra frames, which is great for gaming. Alright, now let's click download now. It works for Windows 7, 8, and 10. So this is a must-have for every gamer, honestly. So it's an exe file, so make sure you open that. Alright. As you see right here, it's downloading, booting up pretty quickly. Really good. You see right here, that's the Razer Cortex. You want to check that. This is if you have any other Razer products like a mouse or keyboard to connect it and change the RGB and all that stuff, but we just want Razer Cortex to boost our computer. So make sure you install that. Alright, as you see, as this is installing pretty quickly, it's a small file, it just boosts your games, give them more frames. What else? Yeah, it has a launcher for all your games that boosts them. System booster right there. Perfect, congratulations, we are already in. So just press get started right there. Let's get on with this video. Yeah. See, it's booting up pretty quickly. And there we go. This is our whole game library. So as you see, it has all your games here. And all you need to do is just press play to, the software will boost it for you so you get maybe more frames or it runs a little bit better. Really depends how much random stuff on your computer is slowing it down. As you see here, we got Valorant, we got Paladins, we got all my games, Overwatch, FNAF, Minecraft, all of that good stuff. Alright, so now let's just go to Boost. Alright, these are all the items that are enabled that you can just check or uncheck that you want to be boosted. Actually, I want all of these to be boosted. Just check all these. Yeah, those are if you have like all this other stuff. But yeah, I'll do that later. Actually, I'll boost all of this. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, let's see how much it changes. Yeah, you see, you can just boost so much stuff by just going in here and clicking on it to see what you want to boost or not. It's really optional. You see, you've got processes, services, non-Windows services. Actually, ooh, Adobe update. I'll do that. Oh yeah, want all of this. We want all of that. As right here, this is the FPS area. You can monitor your FPS when you play games and stuff. So that's something also neat about this software. Then this is Booster Prime. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but it's also pretty cool. Alright, so now this is where you scan your device and clean it. It's gonna differ for each computer, but I recently just scanned it, so you're not gonna see like a big difference in how much gigabytes are gonna be removed. But before I cleaned up like 5 gigabytes of storage, which is insane. So after you scan it, as you see right there, actually, yeah, as you see right there, after that you're gonna press optimize. Alright, and yes, it optimized pretty quick. You see I cleared up some storage. And yeah, you can look at your rig. There's some deals for bundles and games and all of that if you're interested in buying some games, Alright, so now let's see how much it changed our frames. Now, before I boosted my computer and cleaned it up, I hit around 250 to 300 frames on Valorant. Let's see what I hit now on Valorant, alright? It also differs for every game, so don't be surprised if you only get like a 5 frame boost or whatever. It really depends on what games you're playing, alright? So, just boosting up the Valorant, I'm pretty sure. Alright, we are now in the game. So now, as you see, we're reaching max client FPS. This is 144 in the loading screens and everything. Doesn't really mean a lot because, it's just a loading screen. But yeah, let's go to custom games so we can just check out our frames. So as I mentioned before, I mentioned 250 to 300 on my computer. But make sure to leave a like and subscribe for for more content like this. It'll mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video if you made it this far in. So yeah, let's just see how much it's changed. So remember, we're going from 250 to 300 average. Let's see what we get now. So we're just loading in real quick.
I will soothe this turmoil.
Let's see.
With fire, if I must.
Alright, we are hitting, we're hitting over 350 frames now. That is insane. Oh, can we get to that 400 mark, please, please, please? 400? Yes, we hit that 400 mark. Yep. Yep, this software is insane. We are hitting 400 frames on average in Valorant, alright? We went from, like, 300 to 400. Obviously, it's going to depend on what computer you have and what storage you have lying around. But make sure to like and subscribe for this video. Thank you, everyone, for watching it. Have a nice day. Bye.